What's up, YouTube? You already know who this is. It's your boy TuPhones, back again with another informative video. Yeah, I just want to let y'all know, yeah, you can go cop that new Super Mario movie. The Super Mario Bros. Movie from Nintendo and Illumination. Yeah, this is the Blu-ray, DVD, and digital code power-up edition. You can find this at Walmart right now. The Walmart store that I was working at is already putting out the signs and putting out DVDs. I was like, man, I'm gonna get it on day one when it released. Here we go. I already saw it, via a website and app or whatever like that. But gotta get the physical copy. Gotta get the whole experience of unboxing a movie. Not only unboxing it, but getting the exclusives and the inclusives. Yeah, check out the bonus features. We got the digital code included. Download or stream. Bring your movies together in one free app. Movies Anywhere. Yeah, so this is the Blu-ray version, and it comes with the DVD, and it also comes with a digital code. Let me go ahead and grab that out here. And this is what the actual Blu-ray case looks like. And I do have my switch on deck. I got my switch on deck. Yes, I do. Got the switches back, and this is what they look like on the Blu-ray casing. All right, we're gonna open that up. I already unboxed it, but I'm just giving y'all. I'm not giving y'all the code. It's for my sake. But I got the Blu-ray disc and the DVD disc. See, a lot of new folks in today's world don't understand what does this mean. Like, you got copies. You got extra backups. Just in case the digital go down, you got physical copies. That's why we need to keep the physical copies alive. And the Blu-ray players and the DVD players and laptops with DVD drives and Blu-ray drives and things in that sort. Some people don't understand that and don't get it, why you should keep that alive, but it is what it is. But I'm glad it's still alive in my era. So, because I am a collector. I have tons of movies. It's not like my first rodeo. But yeah, your boy got that new Mario. I hope y'all go check that out, man. If you haven't, check it out, man. It's a good movie. I recommend anybody that's a gamer, a fan, or a fan of Nintendo, fan of Super Mario, grew up playing Super Mario games, stuff like that. Playing on the Switch, the Nintendo Switch. You know what I'm saying? I do got the Razor. And like with that digital copy, I'm gonna show y'all something. The application. I'm gonna show y'all the Movies Anywhere app. For free. Anybody can download the Movies Anywhere app. Matter of fact, you go to the Google Play Store. Alright. You search movies. You search Movies Anywhere. There you go. Actually, it's the last one. Wow. It's already on my phone. It's phone and TV. You could get it on the phone and TV, and you can see you got Disney Plus, but that's a different story. So, this is my burner account though. But check that out, 4K UHD. So all these on Movies Anywhere you can watch in 4K. Now the thing is, your phone it depends on the different phone or tablet you got, or even computer you have, or gaming device, because this can stream in 4K. Believe it or not. And I got my Razer Edge. Let me move my switch out the way, but my Razer Edge, yeah, it can stream in 4K. Yeah, I already got it now. Press start. I already got it now. See what I'm saying? Yeah. They got that 5G ultra wide band. Don't need no Wi-Fi. Don't need no Wi-Fi in this club. I'm just playing. But anyways, yeah, so you got the 4K edition. You can watch it in 4K. See what I'm saying? And this on my Razer Edge. Now the Switch can only stream in 1080p. But guess what though? People think they can't watch their movies and stuff on their Switch. You can. You know what you need? You need your Movies Anywhere. I don't know what's on my YouTube. You need your Movies Anywhere account logged into your YouTube account. And see, let me show y'all something. Let me see. See, digital retail. That's Google. Manage. Let me tap that. These are all the ones that are affiliated. Microsoft, Xfinity, Verizon. Verizon Fios TV account required. Direct TV. Your service required. Your Apple TV. You can put your Apple TV info in here. See? Told y'all, my Google TV. So look, check this out though. My YouTube, peep this. Peep this, hold on. I'm gonna just go to one of my accounts. Like, whatever I got on my Movies Anywhere. What was in my Movies Anywhere collection? See that? Y'all see that? I got the extended cut of Halloween Kills. I got the unrated edition of Evil Dead, the first remake. Alright, so we're gonna go to tab. I'm trying to go to my Switch real quick. Show y'all real fast. Library. Let me see. There we go. Library. Alright, you can go to your library, go to your movies and TV. Boom. Here we go. Here we go. Boom. There we go. Halloween. Got Equals. Got Evil Dead. Songbird. Got my Avengers Endgame. I got my Venom. See what I'm saying? Now I got the regular version of Evil Dead. They got Lego's Movie. Jason Bourne. Ice Age. Got Amityville. Got Memory. Alright. So these are the ones I got on my Google account, right? You can get the same thing on your Movies Anywhere. Now, don't get me wrong, yeah, something did not pop up, but I'm telling y'all right now, y'all can watch your movies from your Movies Anywhere account. Link that to your YouTube and Google TV. Psh, bro, you straight. Everything. You already on YouTube anyway. Why not? Why not watch your movies right from the YouTube? But again, the Switch only streams up to 1080p. The Razer Edge streams up to 2160p. That's 4K. And the Galaxy S23 Ultra, same thing. 2160p. That's 4K. So I already got two devices that can stream on 5G with 4K. That's all I'm saying. And now I'm going to add this bad boy, Super Mario, to the list. It's a wrap. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts in the comment section below. Was I very informative? Or was I dragging this video out too long for you to watch it and understand what it was about? It really was just about showing you that the movie out, you can go get it at Walmart right now. You ain't got to wait. You ain't got to rent it. And nothing like that. Do no piracy stuff. Nothing like that. Just go get it. That way you have 2 or 3 copies. 4 copies even if you get the 4K joint. So, hey, man, y'all let me know y'all thoughts in the comment section below. I think it's well worth the money getting 3 or 4 copies of this. That way you got it. If you got a portable DVD player, or you using your phone, you using your tablet, you using your smart TV, you using a Blu-ray player, a 4K player, a DVD, you see what I'm saying? So you got so many ways to watch this movie now. Like, there's no excuse. So y'all let me know y'all thoughts in the comment section below. Do you still buy movies or not? But go get this. This well worth the money. That's Super Mario Bros. Go copy. TuPhones for free, you said it.